Now we have got another exercise. In here we have to check whether the given number is positive, negative or 0. This is very simple exercise, and let us understand how we can solve it. Suppose that you have got the number which is 10, and now we have to verify whether it is positive, negative or 0. What we will do is, if any number, means we are going to write down a check over here which will tell us whether the number is negative. And how we can verify it? We will verify it by checking whether the number is less than 0. So we will say if num is less than 0, any number below 0 will be negative. So we can simply say over here the input number is negative. Now we will be writing another check. In here we are going to check whether the number is equals to 0. So we will say if number is equals to 0. If that number is equals to 0, we can straightway say that it is num. So we will straightway say that the number is 0. In any case, if number is not less than 0, if it is not equals to 0, obviously it is greater than 0. So we can say else the input number is a positive number. So let's remove this string, and now we can execute it to see the result. It says that the number is positive because it is greater than 0. If it is 0, let us see what it shows us. It says that the number is 0, and if it is negative number, it will say that the input number is a negative number. Now over here you might have seen that we are hard coding the value. We are not taking any input. So let us take the input from the user now. We can say input enter a number. So user will enter the number and we will have to typecast it. Why we are going to typecast it? Because anything which we are taking as an input from the user through the input function, it will be a string. So we will have to typecast it to the number. And now I'm going to give the input, let's say negative 10. It says that the input number is a negative number.